Okay, so this site offers loans with CPN numbers. So if you guys have a CPN number, this is where you go and apply. So depending on this credit score, depending on the history, if you have lots of history, minimum 5 years, trade line accounts, credit builders, payoff accounts, payoff loans, auto trade lines, you can get up to 100K, 50K loans. You can also get insurance under the CPN. You can get car insurance, life insurance under the CPN. Financial planning, this is also business. So you can get business accounts, regular accounts, credit cards. So let's go over the credit cards and see what they have to offer. So these credit cards, when you apply, it honestly depends on the credit score. Okay, so you apply, you get a decision, and you get the credit card. So the longer the history, the higher the credit line. So if you have 10 years of history, instant 30 to 50K credit limits. If you only have 1 year, probably 2K. 5 years, 10, 15K. So the history is very important if you're trying to get approved for a credit card, if you're trying to get a loan. So I recommend you guys go to autotradeline.com. They pretty much offer trade lines that report on your credit, CPN friendly. These report within 7 to 15 business days. So for example, if you add an auto trade line or any other primary trade lines, let's say you add something like this on there, these report, and once it reports, you guys can literally go on the company site and then just apply for the credit card. So you can apply for the credit card, the loan, you could get insurance, but this site literally has everything. You can open up a checking account under the CPN. Literally anything you guys can think of, this is the company. So if you guys add something like this, minimum credit card limit 30K. Okay, 30K. This one comes with 5 years of backdated history. But the more you add on your credit, the more funding you can get. So I highly recommend you guys add these trade lines. But once you guys add the trade lines, you guys can just go to any lender. It don't gotta be this one. This is just one of them that takes CPNs. And they do have certain branches, certain locations you guys can visit. They have some in Arkansas, I think. Depending on where you're at, they have certain locations. So that'll be pretty much it, guys. You add trade lines, it reports on you to your credit. So if you guys don't know how to add one, literally just fill out your credit information, and then you make the payments, and then reach out to the company, or the company reach out to you. Send the payment confirmation over the email, which is on the website. It's on this tab right here. You guys can contact this email. And it is buy one, get one free if you have 2 items to the cart. So literally 2 trade lines for the price of 1. And they also offer CPNs, so you could actually use your own, get these pre-made CPNs and apply for credit. You guys can get credit cards under the CPNs. And some of these already have pre-funded funds. This one has a bank account with a 10K balance. So that'll be it, guys. Check out autotradeline.com, and then there's another site, Nation Credit Lines. They also offer CPNs, trade lines, documentation, primary trade line accounts. These report pretty fast as well.